Hi, I'm Crystal McCarran, Executive Director of Cabrillo Marine Aquarium. First, I'd like to thank you for your continued support as we undergo all these exciting renovations. We understand the impact this may have on your visits, but we are so grateful for your understanding. Keeping our facility open during active construction is very challenging, but we made this decision so we could continue being here for our community. We remain committed to staying accessible for those who need us most and who want to enjoy the hands-on experiences within the aquarium and the outdoor exploration of our coastal park.
Hi everyone, my name is Jose Bacallao. I'm the Exhibits Director at Cabrillo Marine Aquarium. I'm very excited to announce that our life support system renovation project is in full production. We are finishing up the last bits of adding filters and chillers and all the great components to provide the best water quality and the best care to the animals that live in our exhibit hall. And speaking of exhibit hall, in the spring of 2026, we'll be reopening the exhibit hall. We have some really beautiful new additions, including our new Jelly Lab and some new enhancements to our kelp forest and rocky shores exhibits. We're excited to share that with you. Please come visit us at the aquarium and we can go inside the exhibit hall and check it out together. Bye-bye.
Hi, I'm Jim. I'm the Program Director here at Cabrillo Marine Aquarium. And while our main exhibit hall may be closed right now, you still have access to come on down and enjoy our Exploration Center and Aquatic Nursery. Not only that, but this time of year is a great time of year to go explore the coastal park. With the low tides during the day, we can go tide pool walking and we can go out to the salt marsh open houses on staff-led experiences. We have our shark touch tank, which is open. We have lots of school programs happening. There's lots for you to explore and to do here at Cabrillo Marine Aquarium. Check the website for more programs, but come on down. We'd love to see you.